Hey, what's up, guys? It's Monday. Had beautiful rain at night. It started around 2:30 probably. We got about 2 inches of rain. Oh man, it's just awesome, awesome, awesome. We got water standing everywhere. We got my dry land sure needed that. I'm driving right past it right now. It's all green. It wants to grow today already. It already did grow. So it's a good start to this week. Last week was a bit rough, and this week is just awesome. And so it's too wet to do anything on the fields today. So I'm gonna weld my system. I got a little bit of leak on it, so I'm gonna weld my system. And after I weld it, I'm gonna put this new tower box on there. And then me and my brothers are gonna go to the range, to our private range, and we're just gonna shoot some guns all day long. I got every one of my guns on here today, so it's gonna be a good day. We're gonna do some videos on our other channel, our gun channel, me and my brothers, called Tactical Explosions. We should get a different name. That's just too hard to say. But if y'all want to check that out, I think we're gonna blow up some dry ice with some tannerite. We're gonna see what it looks like if we blow up some dry ice with some tannerite. We're gonna try to build a box of tannerite, and then a box of dry ice. We're gonna probably do about 2 pounds of tannerite. I mean, that's pretty good already. And then we're gonna see how it'll evaporate into the sky and stuff. It'll be pretty awesome. So if you want to, you can check that out. But yeah, this is off to a good start. Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm getting a pitch out rig ready because I gotta pitch out my field, all my dry land acres, so it don't blow. So I'm getting a rig ready here. Gotta take off all of these. I think these are 10-inch sweeps. I mean, what are they called again? 10-inch listing. What are they called? I can't think of what they're called right now. But yeah, I gotta take these off, and then I'm gonna go get some duck feet, put them on there, and then I'm gonna go pitch out my field. Those things are busters, is what they're called. Busters. So it's Thursday now, and I got everything pitched out nicely, and I sewed in fresh hay grazer around all my circles and got everything cleaned up. I was gonna start hoeing today, but I got two holes in my pivot. I mean, in one of my systems on my cotton field. So I'm gonna hook up the welder right now, and then I'm gonna weld it, or my dad's gonna weld it. He's very good at welding, so I'm not that good yet to weld up or weld closed little holes on the system because it's rusted through, and if it's rusted through, that means the surrounding metal around it is very thin, so you got to be very careful on how you weld it. But gonna weld that, fix that up, and start up my water on my cotton again, and peanuts has already started up, so time to make some crop this year. Hook me up, man. Look at my brother working so hard for me out there. It's gonna be a hot one today.
It's gonna be warm.
He just got done spraying. Really spray early before the wind kicks in. That's one thing that's tough out here in Texas. Whenever you want to spray your fields, you gotta wait till it's calm, and it's not very easily calm here in West Texas. But if it is, it's beautiful. And it's not too bad this morning, but it is a little breezy to spray already. You don't want to spray when it's too windy, because then you'll drift on other people's fields. And not everybody has chemical resistant crops, so gotta be careful out there. So what's going down?
Oh, we're putting up sweeps on here. We took off those pitch out busters.
Okay. So these are what we're putting on here?
Yep, first.
And what do? They
cut out weeds.
So you don't have to do what?
Hoe.
Let me just say hoe. Did he just give up his life?
No, I think he just got.
Sunny. Welder's running good now. Nothing wrong with it. I guess it just wanted to be played with a little bit. Got my dad welding up here. Got a little hole both sides. See the system kind of kicked in. There's a new box I put in the other day.
Crack filled up. Now I'm just gonna reinforce it on the around there yet a little, right there to strengthen it a little more yet.
Welded up. Doing the other side. Both sides had pretty good rust spots. I'll show you what he did. so hot in Texas that, well, take a look at this. I had my arm on here. That's all sweat. So it's pretty hot. It's so hot that I got a wasp wanting to die or something in there. Just trying to get some fresh air or something. Just flew in my truck. So it's Saturday, and we're done working. I just shut off one of my systems, and my other one is gonna be around in the evening, and it's gonna shut itself off. It has an auto stop. So my wife is at home cleaning and getting ready. Then we're gonna go watch some fireworks. Our town is doing the fireworks today. So we're gonna chill with a group of friends there and hang out, watch some fireworks, and have fun. Have you ever wondered, like, that whole A-Team, that old show, their tires would always squeal on dirt? You want to test that theory to see if it really happens? Let's see. That almost squeaked. I don't think the ground's hard enough. But yeah, shut down my system. Oh, my buddy got his motorcycle running. He took the whole transmission apart and rebuilt the whole transmission, and we put everything back together today, and he drove it yet. Worked awesome, no problems. So now we both got our bikes going, so that's pretty awesome. Maybe we'll go riding sometime.